Hi everyone, this is my new project. I started on Thursday and I stopped it. Very interesting. Why? Because you see, when I start removing the old floor, it's vinyl floor with cork rubber underlay, we found the water under the vinyl in the kitchen area. If you know, now very popular install the hardwood, vinyl, laminate floor in the kitchen because it's fancy. In my opinion, not fancy, because most of people who doing this is just save money. The most useful floor in the kitchen area, it should be tile. Tile protect everything. So you see here is the leaks from the dishwasher and not visible because it's under the vinyl. It starts little bumpy, but it's not so much visible. And then I found another area. The guys who installed previous floor, they shoot the severe pipe, and then water, when its nail was rusty, water go start leaks under the floor. Not visible also, but there was mold, and you know mold full breathing very bad. So when my message, so when you want to install hardwood, vinyl or laminate floor in your kitchen, think about better maybe install tiles for forever, or get some problem when there is some dropping, leaking water from somewhere, dishwasher, tap. It will be cost very much. So I stopped floor installation, and we are waiting when it will be fixed, all these things.